I don't know this woman personally, yet it has been a few years now, but I keep seeing her come to the station, just sitting on the same seat, but never getting on the train. You know, there's been a lot of strange things happening in this city, and she sure has been acting quite strange. But I don't care, because she's such an elegant lady.
Sir. Mind the gap.
May I help you?
Those were the first words my husband ever spoke to me.
Would you like to sit down over here?
Thank you. Yes, I'm sorry. You see, 40 years ago, my husband and I met in this station. We fell in love, we dated, we had a child. He was a wonderful father. He had a beautiful voice. Now, fortunately, the talent scouts did not discover that I had his voice to myself. I'm sharing his voice with the city now, even though he's been gone for 3 years.
Mind the gap.
Listen.
Mind the gap. Mind the gap.
It was your husband's voice that was on that recording before?
That's right. And they've replaced him. I have no right to ask, but please, is it possible that I could get the tapes?
Well, you know, for decades I've listened to your husband's voice. But actually, there's nothing I can do about it because today they just changed over the system.
It's okay. I understand.
I'm so sorry. Since that day we spoke, I haven't seen that woman return to this station. Of course, she has no reasons to come back. Time always has a way of making things slip away until there's nothing left.
It was a Tuesday morning in May, and as I awoke, I saw the sun against your fair face.
Mind the gap.
It was the year's lovely smile. The breeze was fresh, and throughout the garden lingered the scent of roses. It was May, and I cannot forget that we sang together. The more time passes, the more I remember. The air was fresh, and the song so sweet. Oh, it was May, it was May. You sang, love of my heart, love of my heart. You're going far away, you're leaving me. And I will count the hours, when will you return? With not I said, I will return when the roses bloom again. And I sang, love of my heart, love of my heart. You're going far away, you're leaving me. And I will count the hours, when will you return? And you said, I will return when I hear your voice again. I will return as promised when the roses bloom.
Thank you.
again.
Thank you very much. We will call you. By the way, I was wondering if you could do me a favor. Yeah, just record a line for me. Just say mind the gap.
Mind the gap.
Can you just say it 2 more times?
Mind the gap. Mind the gap. Mind the gap.
Madame, we were able to get your husband's recording reinstalled. Not in all the city, but at least at the station. Here. His voice is our mutual memory.
Thank you.
Are you going somewhere?
Well, yes. I can go on from here now. I have my memories.
Wonderful. May I give you a hand?
Oh, thank you.
Mind the gap. It was me and I cannot forget that we sang together. The more time passes, the more I remember. The air was fresh and the song so sweet. Oh, it was me, it was me.